Hi everybody. Well, I went and got my rod and I'm back. I got it put in the water and look what I found. Somebody must have been out here and they just threw all this bait away. And it doesn't stink, so it must be kind of, kind of fresh. I grabbed one and that's what I got on my pole because I don't have no live bait. I just had artificial, so I'm going to give this a try and see if it works. And I keep hearing these noises over there. And I'm in the perfect spot for a gator to come over behind me. But yeah, other than that, it's a good little spot. Peaceful, quiet, except for the cars way back. Seems like in an open place you can hear cars from miles away. But yeah, it's real peaceful and quiet. Not a bad place at all. In my opinion, this is probably a little spot where a gator comes and lays. But I got my knife just in case. Haha, yeah, if that will work. I never came across one to where it would try to attack me and I'd have to stab him, so in my opinion, their skin's pretty tough. But that's okay. If the gator gets me, at least I'm doing something that I love. Hear the silence. Oh, it's so nice. Gosh, I wish there was a place here I could set up a tent or something. Make me a little spot. I'd love to find a place that nobody goes. Build me a little shelter place. Just get away. Just go to that place. I don't know if you're ever like me, you get those days where it just seems like everything comes at you. And you're just not up to facing people. Do you ever get like that? I do. A lot. Yeah, I'm gonna make me a video one day kind of asking you guys to help me because I'm gonna need some help. I really want to do this. I want to get out. I want to try to get myself some exercise where I've been cooped up for so long. And I'm tired of it. All I do is gain weight and just get miserable, depressed, and down and out. It's time to start living. That's what I want to do. I want to just get out and start living. Here I got my Jungle J shirt. Don't know how much of it you can see. Love my Jungle J shirt now, I'm telling you. It's gonna bring me luck. Well, I'll just make this a little short video. If I catch anything, I'll make another one, because I don't know how to do all that cutting and editing and all that stuff. So I might end up downloading a bunch of videos at one time from the same spot until I learn. So see you guys later. Bye.